Hey, this is Ken from Coffee Crafters, and we're really excited that we moved into our new space. We want to do a quick walkthrough and show you what we're doing here because we've got a lot of new stuff going on. Come on, Brace. So you probably saw a walkthrough before where our whole business was in this one small spot, and we were completely out of room. We had no place to grow. So come on in here, I'll show you what we're doing. So a couple years ago, everybody knows we started manufacturing our own parts, and the more we manufacture, the more we don't want anybody else manufacturing our stuff. So we needed more room for the manufacturing side. So this whole space is going to be manufacturing space now. We've got some new metal racks over here, so we got all of our metal over there. So it's really nice if you run out of parts. It's only a matter of we have metal on the rack to make it, and we can make our own. Shipping area here. Prototyping area here. So we have a lot of prototypes in process right now. We have two new roaster models, the Volenta 15, the Volenta 25, and then our new K-Cup packaging station, which we're getting ready to do the final tests on it. This will be available soon, and this is really cool. We designed this specifically for iFill cups because everybody knows I really like those cups. And I have potted 16 pods a minute on this thing. It's really cool. We'll do a video on that later. Prototyping area here. We've got roll forming equipment in because we're going to start making our own cyclones for the larger roasters. Welding area over there. So the last couple of weeks we've been getting the other area organized. This one's just starting to get organized now, but we got the floor space cleared up now so we can see what we're going to do. Our welding area is going to be over here, prototyping here, and then some finished goods stored over here. Let's go take a look at the new space. So we finally have enough racking to put everything away, and we actually put the racking up organized so we could get to it. We only used 40% of what we had. The rest of it's open because when the Volenta 15 and 25 come on, there's going to be a lot of part storage that we need to do. But we actually been manufacturing over here the last week. Got a pile of Volenta 7s over there, ready to be packaged and go out. Then walk around here, so we have our roasters in process, ready to be packaged. So got some XLs here, some 3Es back here. But this is our new racking section here going back to our testing area back here. So it worked out really good. We expanded our pack station, organized the parts a little bit better. So back in the corner here is where we're going to be testing the new roasters. We got our big, not so attractive Volenta 25 prototype here. And this project, as everybody knows, taken a long time. Come over here, Bryce. One of the things that took a long time was that there, which is the electrical that is UL'd and all organized and printed and ready to go. So once we got that done, the rest of it we kind of had figured out. So we'll have this one out in the field, hopefully in a few weeks, and we're going to be torture testing it in Oklahoma. So we got the power put in for the Volenta 25, and then our electrician's coming out, put in the power for the rest of them, because right now I have to do the testing on the other side. The Volenta 15 is sitting over here. It's going to be ready for testing too. And this was a fun project because when we did the 7, it won't look exactly like this. This is a test prototype, but similar to this. When we did the 7, we solved the problems that we needed to solve to do the larger ones, and we're really excited about that one. That's going to come out in 100 amp, 240 volt, and then a 60 amp, 208 3-phase after that. So our parts department, we got everything now really close to the assembly, where we used to have them scattered around because we had to put the parts in an office because we didn't have space for it. Really made it a lot more convenient. So roaster final assembly over here for the Artisan 3E and XE and Artisan and the Volenta 7. And then on the other side, the assembly station is over here where Tim is working, that's going to be for the Volenta 25 and the Volenta 15. So yeah, we're excited. We actually have enough room to spread out, get around without running into each other. Tim's here assembling blowers, which finally came in this last week. We got a big shipment of those, so they're no longer out of stock. So anyway, that's the new space. I'm going to get back to work because now we have a lot of work that we can do, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.